I started it.
Shalom, family and friends. This is Papa, and Hannah is making the video.
Yep.
And my son Ephraim is playing with our wagon.
Yeah, and here's the big wagon, and there's hay bales that got squished over here that are give. Do you know that there's some chicks here? We gave some of that hay for the chicks. When they grow up really big, they lay eggs in the hay.
So what we're doing with that hay is we're using it as bedding for the chicks.
Yeah, so
and you can take a picture of the barn. The barn door is closed because we put lots and lots of hay
and look,
in the barn.
See, there's a wooden thing, and this is, see that hole there? That, you open that, and that's a door right there.
If you go inside, you can show the hay bales.
See, that's all the hay bales we have.
They are beautiful hay bales.
They're very nice. And see, they're even bigger than our turkeys. Let's see our turkeys. They're right above the... okay, they're on the roof right now, so...
Good job, Hannah.
Can't go up there right now. I'll have Daddy go up there soon. But right now, you want to see our chickens? They're over here. See? They're right there. Say hi, chickens. I'm coming. Those are chicks right there. That mama, there's eggs, and the chicks are inside the eggs. There's eggs. The eggs turned into baby chicks. So this is my brother Effie, and here's my dad right back. Okay,
excellent.
and that's the farm.
Thank you so much, Hannah. That's
This
a beautiful video.
The whole, there's way back there, that's our whole property, and that's our whole field. And our cows, those are the neighbor's cows, but way back there, see that pasture? That's a big pasture, way back there.
Way back there.
I can climb on the hay bales and I can show you.
Hello, Nana and Grandpa. Hello, everybody, and especially to Nana and Grandpa. Shalom, shalom.
Shalom,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye. I'm going to send this to you, Nana and Grandpa, and I want to send this tutorial, okay? Bye.
Thank you.